Question of the day. Why are there so many questions? And that is a very good question. Life is made up of questions. Good questions, bad questions, but they're all worth asking. Wait, that's not how the quote goes. There are a lot of questions out there, and every single one of them is just waiting for an answer. So I figure I'll add a few more questions to that long list that's already waiting. Can you last 15 hours in a convenience store? What is the meaning of life? Why am I filming in a car? And most importantly, what is for breakfast? The point is, we all have questions. But even if there are already millions of them out there, it doesn't mean we should stop asking new ones. Because if we do, they're never going to get answered. Every week, I'll be back with new questions. And all you have to do to help me answer them is hit subscribe. So here's a new question for you. What questions do you have?